house listing here in Laurelglen. It's in the Southwest area. It has some of the best schools. And when you talk about location, this is probably one of the best locations in all of Bakersfield. So, there's award-winning shopping. There's all kinds of great stuff in this area. It's one of the best places to live. So let's get started. All right, so let's take you on a tour of this home here. So you have this open, great room, great for entertaining. So it is staged, and my marketing team staged it for us, so you can get an idea of exactly how it looks. So typically you would have a big screen TV here, and then there's a couple options you can do in the living room. You can do a sectional, but we opted to do this nice, like mid-century modern couch to kind of keep it very light, very open. And then there's a little seating over here as well. You know, you can kind of grab a book, read a book over here. You have this nice natural brick fireplace that you can turn on a cold day. So very open concept. This is a great starter home. It's in an unbelievable area of the Southwest. But let's take a look at the formal dining room. So you have this nice formal dining room here. You have the fan above it. You have these nice vaulted ceilings. This is a good area, so you can have a pretty good sized table here. This one here seats 6, but you can go bigger. It has this cool area that you can probably put books or even maybe a coffee area here as well. Let's take a little tour of the kitchen. You can probably even put bar stools right here. You know, the tile is a little outdated, but you know what? It gives you an opportunity to probably do something modern, maybe paint out the cabinetry a light creamy white, do quartz countertops, or maybe rip it out because it's not a big kitchen. So you can actually, you know, kind of do exactly or do anything that you want. The layout's functional. It's a good size. This door right here goes to the 2-car garage. Let's go take a look at the serene backyard. So as you go out this backyard here, you have this nice door here that brings in the natural light. You have a covered patio for those hot summer days. I would love to see like a mister system here. And it looks like you have power, so you can actually probably do a fan here as well. You have a side yard over there. This yard is east facing, so you have a very, you know, the sun will rise this way here and the sun will drop. So when it's evening time, it's gonna actually be in the shade. But take a look at how long this backyard is. So if you wanted a pool, you could probably do a pool back here as well. That door right there goes to the master bedroom. And you also have another side yard here. Probably do a dog run, a shed, whatever you want to do there. Then you have all these great natural trees here that cast a lot of shade in your backyard, which I think is really nice. The roof here was replaced just recently. The AC was replaced right before COVID. So it has a newer AC, new roof. In the inside, all the carpet throughout is new. They did a little bit of a paint job on the inside as well. So you have newer paint throughout. But let's go and take a cruise through the home. So over here, you have a full bathroom. Again, if you don't like this tile, you can fully remodel it. It has a good footprint. So, you know, you got your full walk-in shower, you have your toilet, your sink. So it has a good footprint. And then behind the door, you have storage. Tons of storage here as well. You got storage here, storage there. You have a coat closet here. Then you have this very good sized bedroom here as well. This room here, just so you can kind of get an idea of the size, you're looking at, and these older houses, this is about an 83. So the dimensions of this is 11.4 inches. And then the width here, because I think this is important, it's kind of hard to see it on a video. 11.4 by 10, so that's a good size room. You have a closet there, so let's make it over here to this room here. Again, lots of storage throughout the home. This would be a great area to have your games or just some display here. This room here is 11.7. And again, all the blinds that you see are brand new, so those were replaced as well. Every single blind in the home is new. 11.7 by 10 and 2, so that's a good size room. Let's go to the primary room. And I like the way, if you look down this, you kind of see how long this hallway is. So it has tons of privacy. And what another cool feature is it has double doors here to your master. So you got these 2 double doors, which I think is awesome. And then that's a bonus too. It has like a little bench there for reading and so forth. But this room here, it's a good sized room. It is 13 feet 5 inches. And it has the vaulted ceilings too as well. That's really nice. By 13 by 2. Then you have this walk-in closet. What is it, about 6 feet wide. You have a pocket door here. This is the entrance to the backyard. So if you get a pool, you have access to the backyard through there. Again, I think I did mention it has the vaulted ceiling. So in here, it just has a walk-in shower. So what's great about this, you have this good sized walk-in shower. Then you have, it's very simple. You got a sink, you got your toilet. So in this bathroom, I would say, you know, you can definitely do a remodel, which would make it even more homely. But otherwise, if you like this home, give me a call. This is in the Southwest Laurelglen neighborhood. It's listed for $349,900. Enjoy this. Let me know if you have questions. Like and follow for more.